Vlog Studio. We're back over at the Printmaking Studio today. Gonna do some test prints, cut those up, and then make a few sketchbooks. Go ahead and flood the screen to begin with. Move that ink down into the stencil, and then this is the result. Then we've got our figure with the nice half-tone pattern. Alright, so we'll have a figure on that front cover, and then this one will be more sort of just abstract. Like 3 rather than just 2. Alright, so there we go, we got the 3 sides done there. We'll just kind of keep that momentum going.